Thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm just gonna do a quick video of a tip. Sometimes the oil filter screw. This is the VW Tiguan and Beetle and GTI oil filter. It's the main filter W71945. Okay, what happened? Sometimes this part can come out. This part is this. So what happened if this thing got stuck in the engine? So what you do, don't panic. Sometimes this happen when you're trying to get the filter out. This part got stuck in the engine bay and you're like, oh no. What happened is, if this part got stuck, you cannot put the new filter in before you remove this this part, the screw here, the oil filter screw, if it got stuck in the engine bay. So what you want to do, it's very easy. Don't panic. Just go to a tool store and get a 7/16 hex key. This is what's gonna happen is, okay, this how it looks. So usually it got stuck like this. What you want to do, just put the hex key right there. Since it's gonna be really deep, you want to get an extension like that, and you remove it. That's all you need to do, and you remove it this way, and that's how you remove the oil filter screw that is stuck in the engine bay. So make sure you get the 7/16 hex key, put it right there, and you do it like that. Yeah, turn it counterclockwise, and then you will be able to remove the the stuck oil filter screw right there. See, this thing is not supposed to get stuck, but once in a while when you open it up, the bottom part got unscrewed, and you know, just the filter come out, but the screw got stuck in the engine. So anyway, that's how you do it. So don't panic. Remember, again, this is how the filter is supposed to look. A broken filter, right? This is a broken, look, VRAM oil. See that? Sometimes the bottom part is got unscrewed. That's how it's supposed to look like. But sometimes when you try to remove the filter, this the filter come off like that. The filter come off, but this part is stuck. So anyway, so that can happen to you. So anyway, that's how you remove this, you know. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Bye.